About 38 million cubic meters of industrial wastewater is generated, of which 2.5 million cubic meter, or more or less than 10%, is treated by reverse osmosis. Although uh, using reverse osmosis reduces the capital cost of the whole wastewater treatment, such as ZLD, it is still energy intensive using reverse osmosis, consuming 11 billion kilowatt hour in energy, costing 1.5 billion euros per year, and emitting about 5 million metric tons of carbon emissions per annum. That's a lot. And that's why, when making decisions about the membrane based industrial wastewater treatment, it is important to calculate the total cost of ownership. This considers all the cost, the capital expenditure, and the operating cost over the estimated lifetime of the plant. Some people are surprised to learn that the operating costs represent about two-thirds of the total cost of ownership for membrane-based wastewater treatment. And the electricity is almost half of that. How directly relevant the total cost of ownership is for you will depend on how you buy your water: build, operate, own, or build, operate, transfer. But in the end, someone has to pay all the cost. Calculating the total cost of ownership is not a perfect science, because we need to make assumptions about the future. For example, electricity prices, labor prices, but it is still the best way, and maybe the only way, to understand all costs. Compare alternate solutions, calculate effect of investing money now or to save money for future. For example, 5 years ago, no one could have predicted the impact of the pandemic and the war in Ukraine would have on the European energy prices. We all know this from our household economies. If your dishwasher breaks today, should you buy the cheapest one available to replace it? Or should you consider the lifetime energy and maintenance cost? We know we should consider the total cost of ownership. But sometimes we choose the lowest purchase price anyway, no matter what this will increase, no matter that this will increase the total cost of ownership over time. Some people do the same with the membrane-based wastewater treatment. Many people don't realize how much electricity can be saved by choosing the right high-pressure pump. Although the high-pressure pump represents only one-third of all pump cost, or about 1.2% of all the total capital cost of an RO treatment, choosing the most energy-efficient pump technology can save up to 20% in lifetime energy cost. And that's a lot.